Just for the record, we could throw a free steak rental at the skate park. You have to make an appointment to donate. You can do it right now at WNTK.com. And we hope to see you at our first ever rock and roll up your sleeve blood drive going on October 1st. Get all the info at WNTK.com.
Admit it, you thought about changing careers. But how? And for what? Well, if you have a bachelor's degree, you may have your answer. Delaware Valley College is offering a brand new program designed to help you become certified to teach secondary school in Pennsylvania. Complete the program in under a year, and not only completely change your life, but change others as well.
All right, class, who can tell me?
If you have your bachelor's degree and would like to become certified to teach secondary school in Pennsylvania in less than 1 year, then Delaware Valley College's teacher certification program is the one you need. Take classes in Royal Bucks County, South Philadelphia, Rolling Grove, and King of Prussia. Learn more about attending the information session at any of these Delaware campuses Wednesday, September 7th at 6 p.m.